How to message your teacher using Canvas. First, log in. We go right here to Inbox. We click it. When you're in Inbox, up on the top you can see your courses. You'll click and see which teacher or person you want to contact. If I was wanting to talk to Mr. Wanger, I could click on Art 7 Wanger. If I need to talk to Ms. Hall, I can click on Art Intro 2D Art. I tapped Art Wanger. Now I can click on the Compose button. It's the hand holding the pencil. When you're composing your message, make sure you use the to box to put who you're sending it to. This is where I will type Ross Wanger. In the subject line, make sure you tell your teacher what class hour you are and which group you are and the assignment you're asking about. For example, I would say Group A, Color Wheel. Now in the body, which is down here, I will type what it is that my question is and include as much detail as possible so my teacher can provide me as much information as is needed to help me with my situation. Even if necessary, I can include pictures so that my teacher can see what I am seeing. By being able to see what you are seeing, we are able to help you even more. So here I'm writing, Mr. Wanger, I need help putting my color wheel together. I missed class today. Now I'm ready to hit send. And my teacher will get a message in their inbox. That's how we message a teacher using Canvas.